do you think about pears? Do you like pears? Chew it up and swallow. Yum! Do you like pears? Yeah. Mmm. Chew it up. Don't spit it out. Mmm. You like it? Do you like pears? Yeah. Is this your first time in the big girl high chair? Yeah, brother's big bib on, but it works. Do you want more? Mmm. Yummy. Are pears good? Whoops. More? Do you want more? You have crazy hair this morning. Would you like more pears for breakfast? More? Okay. Mmm. Is it good? Libby, do you like pears? I think they're a hit. You've had half a jar already. That's good. Mommy didn't make this kind. More? More? Okay. Mmm. Pears are a hit. Are pears a hit? Do you like the pears? Brother didn't like pears when he was a baby. Sister likes pears. Mmm. Don't spit them out now. Good job. Mmm. Whoops. Whoops. Don't spit them out. Here. Oh, pff. You silly goose. Say yum. Mmm. Mmm. Don't put your fingers in your mouth when you're eating. Good girl. More? Sissy, Libby. Hi. Hi, smiley girl. Do you want a bite? Here, bite. Mmm. Oh, yuckers. Well, now we need a bath anyway. It's on your neck. Yuckers. More? You getting tired of eating? Good girl. Swallow. Num num. What? Do you like pears? Yay!